The next exercise you should do, my friends, is drawing straight lines that are thin at one end. Just like the previous exercise, place your hand on the paper, draw with a moderate speed, and finally lift your hand off the paper. That is, move it upward at the end. Notice that in this case, the ends of the lines become thin, which can be useful in various situations. How does my hand move? The pencil is placed on the paper, and at the end, it is lifted off. These are called one-end thin lines. Now, the next exercise you should do is to draw the reverse version, that is, from right to left. Some instructors insist that lines must always be drawn from right to left or from left to right. However, this is not an absolute rule, my friends. It also has nothing to do with being left-handed or right-handed. You are going to become a designer. A designer should be able not only to draw lines from left to right and from right to left, but also to draw lines in all directions. Do you understand? So, this has nothing to do with whether you are left-handed or right-handed. Well, the next exercise you should practice is drawing diagonal lines, reverse diagonal lines, and long vertical lines.